Greetings from Great Used Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2021 Chevrolet Blazer LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in nice shape. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around here, and then we'll take it panel by panel. We'll show you the condition of the vehicle. Super nice. Super nice condition. Look at this, very nice. All right, let's take a close look here at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful shape, super clean throughout. Look at that, amazing condition, really nice. Take a look at the headlamps. Headlamp on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Look at that, very nice. Does have a little blemish here on the chrome. Besides that, looks beautiful. Lower lights in beautiful shape. Grill's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the headlamp on the driver's side, beautiful condition throughout. Lower lights in beautiful shape, very nice. All right, let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition, super clean throughout, very nice. Does have a couple imperfections here on the paint. It's got a little mark here, here, and here. Besides that, it's in really great shape. All right, let's take a look at the front fender. On the driver's side, fender's in great shape, looks clean throughout, very nice condition. Does have a small little dent right there. Can't even notice it. Small, tiny little dent. Door, driver's side, looks good, clean throughout, very nice condition, super nice shape. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Does have a little scratch right here and a little mark right there. Quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful condition throughout, really nice shape. Take a look at the rear door. Looks good, very nice condition. Lights are in great shape. Let's take a close look here. Super nice condition, clean throughout, very nice. Taking a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side, looks clean throughout, really nice condition. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful shape, clean throughout. Does have a little mark right here and here. Besides that, looks good. Front door on the driver's side, beautiful condition throughout, really nice shape. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. No marks, no scratches on it, looks good. Taking a look at the roof. Roof is in great condition, super nice shape. Amazing condition, look at that. Okay, that pretty much concludes our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. We're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Amazing condition. Clean all the way through. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Take a look at the controls. Control for the rear hatch. Very nice. Beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice shape. Taking a look at the controls for the power seat, amazing. Full set of rubber floor mats, very nice. Dashboard steerio's in beautiful condition, really nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front. Passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, very nice. Armrest is in beautiful condition, super clean, very nice condition all the way through. Take a look at the controls for the power locks, power window. This one has a manual seat. Seat's in great shape. Looks really good. Does have a little imperfection right here. It's got a little mark there on the seat or whatever, but besides that, it's in really great shape. Full set of floor mats, dashboard steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice. Looks amazing. Controllers in good shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition, very nice. All right, we're taking a look here at the rear seat from the driver's side. Really amazing condition, super clean, looks really nice. Full set of floor mats. Look at that rubber floor mat in the back, very nice shape, beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Take a look at the rear seat, also in beautiful shape, looks super nice. Very nice condition. Rubber floor mats all the way through, looks good. Very nice condition. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start up this 2021 Chevrolet Blazer. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here. Key fob is right here. Check it out. Lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch. Really nice. Okay, we're gonna set that right there. I'm gonna push the brake, press the button to start. There you go. Fantastic. All the GM products, the gauges go all the way up and back down. That way you know that the gauge is working correctly. This has a stop and start system on the engine to save fuel. It's got a bypass button right here if you want to cut it off. So I'll show you what that looks like now. So right now we cut it off. Right now it's on. All it does is if you're at the light or whatever for a long time, it'll cut the engine off. Your AC and everything will keep working, but you won't waste any fuel. So you're like sitting in traffic or whatever. Okay, so you got RPMs, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. Right now we have this little information center that's showing us the voltage for the battery. So we can go ahead and flip through that. Trip computer 2, miles till empty, oil life, tire pressure sensors, air filter life, economy in the last 50 miles, timer. We'll go ahead and leave it on miles per hour. Okay, let's take a look at the turning signals. They're functioning correctly. Highlights also correctly. Taking a look here at this is for the cruise control. It's got a collision alert, so this has a setting on it that you can actually adjust it right there from the steering wheel. It's this button right there. You can adjust the distance. Then we have here, this is the information center we're working with. It has the speak commands here, and this is to turn off hang up your phone if you're talking on the phone or whatever through Bluetooth. Front and rear wipers, really nice. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. Let's take a look real quick. Really nice condition. It's a leather wrapped steering wheel, looks amazing. Automatic lights, super nice. Parking brake release is right there. Full power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. All right, let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Super clean. Very nice shape. It's got a really nice display. I believe this is a 7.5. You got your hazard lights, your start button, your glove box button. So you press that there, opens the glove box for you. Traction control button. That's the home button right there. You go home there on the radio station. Let's go ahead and take a look at the controls down here for the AC. This has heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. It's a nice feature for you guys up north in cold weather. The temperature, it's a climate control system, so you can set whatever temperature you want on the passenger side and another temperature for the driver's side. And on top you'll show up also. So you turn this dial here, super cool, on both sides. Very nice. You got the fan controls here, so you can adjust the fan. Front and rear defrost. Sync system if you want to sync both ACs. AC button, recycle, the vents, and the power button. Now we're taking a look at the automatic transmission. Manual shift modes is an L. That button right there, you can shift it manually if you like that way. We're taking a look at the controls here. I believe this is the regular one. This is for snow. So if you turn it over one, it's going to go to snow mode. And then the one more over, that's going to be sport mode. So we'll go ahead and put it back on normal mode here. See what it looks like. Snow mode up there. And the regular mode, which is called, let's take it all the way back down. There you go. That's the normal one right there. You got a lane alert here. You've also got parking sensors. So this has a little tiny light here on the corner that lights up whenever there's a vehicle in the lane, letting you know there's somebody there. That way you don't switch lanes. Up above here, you've got a little sunglass holder there. Courtesy lights, super nice. Look at that. Programmable garage door openers. So we've got 3 of them. You've got a gate or whatever you can set that up to. OnStar and passenger seat in the front. When the airbag's off or on, it'll let you know. Super nice. Let's take a look at the liner real quick. Liner looks good shape all the way through. Very nice condition. Dashboard looks beautiful, really in nice shape. That pretty much concludes everything. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. Stay tuned. And then after that, we'll be back and show you the tires and the engine compartment and storage space in the back. We'll be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. Feels good. Just drives super nice, super smooth. Super smooth. Check the brakes here. We're going to stop here at the stop sign. See how it feels. Okay, fantastic. Super smooth, really nice drive. Coming up on another stop sign here. Test the brakes again. Feels good. Steering smooth. Really nice. Next step, we're going to go ahead and check out the backup camera. We'll go ahead and park somewhere now, and you can see the backup camera functioning. And then that'll complete our test drive. Check out the backup camera. There you go, put in reverse. It's got that those lines that actually go whichever way you're turning. So we'll go ahead and put it to that first parking space there. There you go. Now the parking sensors are showing there's something in the back. So the closer we get, it'll blink, it'll show us which one of the parking sensors is showing that it has something. So it has some bushes there far away, but the bushes still show up. So that's pretty much it. There you go. Really nice. Okay, that concludes our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the engine, tires, and the cargo area. We'll be right back. Okay, let's go ahead and test out the rear hatch. We got the remote right here. You can actually press the button on the door, but we're going to do it right here. You press the twice, it opens right up. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Great. This one has rubber mats. Look at that. Rubber cargo mat. A little bit of storage on both sides here. Really nice. Down beneath, the rug looks brand new. Beneath that, we have the storage of the spare tire and jack and all tools and stuff. And then you're looking at it here. It's got a bunch of storage here and on top if you want to store some stuff there. Super nice. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and close the door. It's got a button here to close it. Works perfect. Look at that. Amazing. That's it. Fantastic. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at this. Really amazing shape. Super clean throughout. Very nice. 6-cylinder engine. Really in great condition. Up above here, we're taking a look at the hood by the bottom here. Look at that. Emission sticker right there. Really nice. Beautiful shape throughout. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in great shape, very nice condition. The rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a couple little marks here on the edge. Besides that, it looks amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire's in good shape, good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that, very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in great condition, good amount of tread on there, very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that, very nice condition. Does have a couple little scratches here. Besides that, looks good. Okay, we're taking a look at the front passenger side tire. Tire's in good shape, has a good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in good condition. Does have a little imperfection here on the edge. Besides that, looks good. Very nice condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2021 Chevrolet Blazer LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out really in great shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.